Okay, we are at the Google Bot. You can see this one over here. All right, Google Bot itself. And something new has happened is that Google Bot now can actually draw picture. All right, so this is interesting, but you won't find it anywhere inside here. All right, okay, you just make use of the prompt. All right, so draw me a picture, Ture, of uh, a bowl of noodles, Noodles. All right, and you hit enter. All right, it will actually take the prompt. All right, okay, it will actually take the prompt and try to uh, create it. Okay, so yes, you see over here. If you need more, you can just click the generate more. Oh, this one look nice. Okay, simple. Okay, but looks okay. Right. And you can see, oh, this one looks so cool. Right. And if you want to download, you can download it. All right. So there is no button for you to actually click. Just put it inside the prompt. That's all.